Looking to elevate your home's exterior, choosing the right outdoor light fixtures makes all the difference. To choose the best outdoor light fixture for your space, there are some factors to be considered. The first one is the design. You have to choose the design of your outdoor light fixture based on the style of your house. Modern outdoor fixtures are sleek, minimal, with clean lines and bold elegance. Contemporary outdoor fixtures blend chic design with cutting-edge materials. Traditional lantern-style light fixtures bring warmth and elegance to your space. The second important factor is durability. Being weatherproof is the key. Choose durable materials such as aluminum, brass, or stainless steel to handle the elements. Your outdoor light fixture should withstand extreme weather conditions such as snow, ice, rain, hot and cold temperature, and also high humidity. To choose the best outdoor light fixture for your space, visit the Sparkle Light today.